morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we are in the Mickey Trick segment where mathematics is solved with the speed of light. Let's look at this. When we are having something like this, subtracting fraction, how do we solve it? Within the twinkle of an eye. We call it the butterfly method or the cross multiply method. So if I'm to solve this, no need for SCM, no need for all those. What you just do, take, you know how your butterfly is formed, 5 times 4, put the answer there, 20 minus, then this 6 times 1 is 6 over 6 times 4 is 24. So this becomes 20 minus 16, that's 14 over 24. You can now reduce it. 2 in 14, 7. 2 here, 12. That's all. We'll go again. 3 times 3, you have 9 minus, look at this, 5 times 2, that's 10. 9 minus negative 10, 9 minus 10 rather, that's negative 1. Negative 1 over 5 times 3, 15, that's all. We'll go again. 4 times 3. 4 times 3, you have 12 minus 9 times 2, that's 18. So 12 minus 18, that's negative 6. Negative 6 over 9 times 3, that's 27. We can reduce it. What can divide? 3 can go. 3 here, 2, 3 here, 9. So this is negative 2 over 9. And the last one, but not the least, you have 5 times 5, which is 25, minus, you have 7 times 2, that's our 14. So this is 11 over 7 times 5, 35. And that's all. I hope you have learned in today's class. When you have a question like this, just use the butterfly method to solve it and you are good to go. If you need some things to practice, here are some lists of take-home fun. You can practice at your leisure time to get yourself acquainted with the skill. So you can have something like this: 7 over 9 minus 1 over 2. Number 2, 8 over 10 minus 3 over 5. Number 3, 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8. And the last one, you have something like this: 2 over 5 minus 1 over 7. Do let me know the answers of this take-home fun in the comment section. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, share the video, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Mickey Trick segment, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.